when he's doing it, people watching this will know it. Tackleberry, when he does the shooting range, normally the instructor turns around and says, "Follow me," but he turns around to the instructors. And
who's Dangleberry?
Tackleberry. So, good afternoon everyone, welcome along to a how-to video, and today I'm going to do a how-to video on roof drains, sill drains. So I'm going to give you like an in-depth sort of location and sort of how to. I mean, it's a very simple thing, but the amount of times we get asked where are these, how to do it and so on, it's okay. So the tools that you will need for this job, for the sill drains, is my preferred method is cable tie, zip tie, or if you're a roadkill fan, is the go-to repair secure method of fixing your car. Everyone at home that watches this video will most likely have does this or is looking to do it, will be able to get a trombone cleaner, which is a long piece of spring with at either end a little fluffy bit on it. But my preferred, actually if I give it a shot here, so that's the cable tie trombone cleaner, and my preferred one is the penetrator, which goes all the way back here. So let's concentrate with the roof drains first. Now I've got to contort myself to get in the car, so I'm going to spin the camera around. Oh, you can do this from outside the car, but from outside the car I can't give you guys, it's very dark, hang on, I have got a torch, I am prepared. There we go. So you cannot see much. Now I can't get the camera in the right way round, so if you can see that, let's see if I can place the torch there. As you can see down there, you can see the, and just hang on, where's it gone? I can't find the hole because I'm doing, there we go, sorry, wrong place, there we go. I'm doing it from a different, hang on. there it is. Normally I feel in from the outside, I don't normally do it this way, so you can see the hole is just there, just down there. There we go. And so the penetrator's going in, you feed it down, and then it hits. This is actually a customer's car, and these roofs, they could be blocked or not. So what I'm going to do now is that you put that down the hole. And then what I'll do is that if this will work, I need to spin the camera around. If I lay it down there, I don't think any water's going to come. Oh, hang on, the gimbal's going crazy. There we go. Right, I'm going to go in the car and poke that out. And there we go. That's what happens when you poke the penetrator through the roof drain. Come back up. It doesn't normally get stuck because it is rounded at both ends. But of course I'm doing the video, of course it'll get stuck. There we go. There's a bit of dirt in there. Alright, let's rescue the camera. So that was roof drain number one. Obviously if your roof drains are blocked, water does get trapped in the tray and then it overfills and then normally pours into the back of the car. So on this one, I'm sort of going to do this one sort of standing out the car. So you sort of, you feel in, find the hole. There was a little bit of dirt that came out there. Typical, this one never ever, it's never got stuck before. It must just be catching on the underneath. No, it's just getting caught on that. There we go. Sorry for the shakiness of this. So, as you can see, there was some grubbiness to it in there. Not too bad. Normally when they're blocked you'll do that, and if it's been raining you get sort of water come out the bottoms. But sometimes when you've got something difficult stuck in there, I use that. The trombone cleaner does work. We do use this as well. But what happens with the trombone cleaner is if there is something stuck in there, the spring just does that and you can't get it out. So if you do get something stuck, sometimes it's beneficial if you've got someone at the top to push something down and someone at the bottom to hold the rubber at the bottom. It will save that from popping out. Can help that anyway. Okay, so roof drains ticked. So sill drains. Now we talk about sill drains quite often. The result of the rust in the seals when we're replacing the floor to sill sections and full sill sections as well. And we do get asked from time to time, like, how do you unblock the seals? Where are the sill drains? I didn't know there were sill drains. Just people sometimes think they just know of the roof drains and that's it, but there are 8 sill drains in total on the car. Alright everyone, back. The SD card got full up. So I was talking about sill drains and being blocked and causing the rust issues, well, adding to the rust issues that the MX5 has in the seals, result calling in like full sill sections having to be replaced. So let's have a look. So sill drains are located, so this is the back of the car. There you can see like an outie and an outie there. There's one there and there's one there. Just grab my so there you can see just there, just there, and just as you can see, these are actually blocked. There it is. It's kind of hard to see, but so all I do, so cable tie. Let's have a go here. Let's do it here. So cable tie in. It is actually original, but that gap is a lot bigger than it normally is. And then there we go. That's sorry. That's normal. So that's okay. And we come to it. So if you can see, no, you can't see. Ash, come here. Can you pick that light up and shine it over here because it's dark? Yeah, I had my assistant, Professor Ash.
Professor? Mine's my doctorate.
Right, as you can see, there's the hole. Cable tie in, and it just slots up there nice. Keep it still, Ash.
Get in there gently. Don't force it.
Around this side, Ash. So as you can see, there is something there, but it's just a loose bit. That one's done. Come on, follow me, Ash. That's my Tackleberry from Police Academy catchphrase. Follow me. When he's doing, yeah, people watching this will know it. Tackleberry, when he does the shooting range, normally the instructor turns around and says, "Follow me," but he turns around to the instructors. And,
who's Dangleberry?
Tackleberry.
Well, I know Dangleberry.
Tackleberry.
Tackleberry.
Right, there we go. That one. That. Yeah.
These youngins.
That one. Oh, this one. So we might have a stiff one here. It might be that the cable tie is not sufficient. Come around this side, Ash. We might need it actually. We might actually need something a bit more solid. So if you can see,
been squashed.
There is something stuck in there. It hasn't been squashed. There's something stuck in there.
Something orange.
Don't shine that over.
God, such a child.
Right, here we go. Right, I've got a small, very small sort of screwdriver. There we go. That got it. I don't like poking screwdrivers up here, and there you go. See? Cable tie in.
I'm liking this new head torch.
So, that's it. The where to, how to, go to guide on seal drains and roof drains. Sorry for the wonky camera, but
Got a bright idea.
that is quite a good idea. That's hang on a minute. We had bought a roof. We had bought a head torch here for doing underseals. But I'm thinking that what Ashley's done there is the go-to head torch for underseals now.
Yeah.
Love it.
Right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Tell your friends, tell your wife, tell your husband, tell your kids. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye bye.